Mm. 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 Oh, is that good? Hi my friends, good evening. Today I would like to make some eggs in a basket. Yes, they also call it egg in a hole. And I've never made it before. I'm so excited because I think I'm really gonna love it. Yum, because I love bread and I love eggs. I just love to eat it, and I think it's going to be delicious. What do you think? It sounds simple enough. This is my basket, and these are my eggs. And since I don't really have any regular butter, I'll be using ghee today. You can say, wow, gee, great idea. I'm outdoors, as you can see. And let me tell you, I'm starving, like they say in America. I have 2 slices of bread here. Do you make egg in a basket often? Do you like it? You see, I cut a hole in the bread here. Cut out this piece of bread. We're gonna put it in the iron pan. You can use a knife, a spoon, a cup, cookie cutter, anything, and just make a hole. Let me show you. Today I'm using this ghee. It's good. Let's just use a little bit. Put it in the pan. That's what it looks like. Just put a little bit of ghee in there. Not much. Do you like ghee? Nice and buttery. Ghee is clarified butter. Yes. I'm making you one too. Almost looks like a heart. I flipped it over. I got distracted. My husband is raking around the fire. Flip that one too. I'm gonna turn it around. The ghee is gonna be so tasty. You won't believe I made it wrong. I roasted the bread too much before I put the egg in. Silly me, I got distracted. But the fire is going. Sizzling sounds. Oh, the bread broke and the egg is not in the basket all the way. That'll get rid of the mosquitoes. And it's nice and warm because it's been a bit cool. I'm gonna flip it around. Ooh, looks good. Maybe it's still gonna be soft inside. Let's do that one too. I like the seasoning mix. I'll put a little bit of it on now. And a bit of Italian seasoning. I bet it'll taste good. I put a little bit more ghee in it. Let's do it. Whoa, one for you and one for me. Let's see what it tastes like. Enjoy. Let's eat together now. Yum. Maybe the yolk isn't liquid anymore, I don't know. Mm. 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 Oh, is that good? And it tastes so good with that seasoning. It's a little bit soft, the egg. Oh, I have to tell you, I'm glad I made it with the ghee. Oh gee, oh ghee, it's super delicious. And you see, the egg is half cooked, hard-boiled, and half soft. Then the Italian seasoning on it is super, super delicious. You love yours, I see. And here, that seasoning has salt, garlic, spices, including paprika, thyme, black pepper, oregano, cayenne pepper, onion, extracts of paprika and garlic in it. I love this. I always put it on the potatoes too. I'm filming myself. Little crispy. Just perfect, let me show you. And the yolk again. And that ghee soaked into the bread. Can you even see? Look. I hope I'm in the camera. Oh, I could eat this all day long. Yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Look. Hard-boiled, soft-boiled. Next time, if I wanted more liquid, the yolk, I will put the egg in the hole earlier. Silly me, in the basket. That's why it's called that. My husband is raking the fire some more. He already ate his. He said it was good. That extra flavor of garlic in there is so good too. I don't know what the special words are for this. It's superb. It's super delicious. It's divine. It's to die for. I'm eating my little lid for my basket. That's really good and really buttery. I hope you enjoyed another video from me today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Till soon, I hope. Bye.